ngayon. Handa na ba kayong makita muli ang architect at lawyer na nagpasimula ng lahat ng Rain in España? Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Calisa Luna, Marco Gallo, and Heaven Paralejo! Next up, the couple who make us all believe that love is truly in the air as our favorite pilot and flight attendant from Safe Skies Archer as Hiro and Yana. Give it up for Prisha, Bianchi, and Jerome Ponce! The love story that proved opposites really do attract and gave us one of the most fun and unforgettable couples in the Unimercada. Let's make some noise for the MVP of the court and the cheerleader who brought endless kilig and good vibes to every scene mula sa bidahan Chasing in the Wild. Please welcome Elise and Savvy, Hyacinth Caliado, and Gab Lakman. Ang social butterfly at ang doctor na minahal nating lahat are back mula sa effortless chemistry, unforgettable moments at mga eksenang nagbigay ng kilig sa ating lahat from Avenues of the Diamond. Please welcome Sam and Clyden, Oki Karaan, and Lance Carr. Ang trending couple na nagbigay sa atin ng kilig, hope, at unforgettable moments ay nagbabalik ang charming musician na kayang magpapol sa kanyang mga fans at ang caring mom of the Unimercada na laging inuna ang iba bago ang sarili. From the fifth book, Golden Syria Tomorrow, let's make some noise for Arkin and Bia, Wilbur Cross, and Bea Jimenez. magmahal, playing the charming prosecutor who's about to discover that maybe love is worth taking a chance on. As si Andre Kyle Sean Lopez. Let's make some noise for Jairus Aquino. For the longest time, we've known her as the sweet, hopeless romantic of the Univercada, but this time, it's no longer about being the best friend or watching someone else's love story unfold. Because finally, it is her turn to tell her story. Playing Kiera Zaini K. Inares. Let's give a warm and loud welcome to Nicole Omilio! Viva! Viva!